Hi everyone, welcome to Fiscal Finance's training video series about Cin7 Core. My name is Juandré and today I'll be taking you through the settings page in Cin7. To navigate to the general settings page, you can click on Settings, General Settings. On the left hand side you'll find a menu with shortcuts to specific settings, but I'm just going to run through the top to bottom. Here at the top, key field here is the legal trading name. This is the legal trading name of your business, and this will be displayed on any documents or templates. Selecting your country and base currency, selecting the time zone and date format. Next up, important setting is the tax calculation method. So is it document total or row total? This is usually changed the first time around and depends on if you have a Shopify integration and other accounting integrations or not. Security settings, passwords change frequency. These are usually set to every 3 months and a session timeout of 20 minutes. This will just improve security settings. Financial year end. These settings will usually pull through from your accounting system, but if you're using Cin7 independently, you just need to select your financial year end, tax period that you're applying to, your tax ID number, and display name. If you are using any accounting system integrated with Cin7, lock dates will be a thing where any historical processing will be caught. Product and measurement settings. These are just general settings for all the products that you've created. This is the base default setting and can be changed on various other levels of creating a product. The purchase process customization. This will be the default purchase method that you'll be looking to buy stock for. Usually it is stock receiving and then invoice received. You can incorporate additional attributes if needed on your product level. If you're using something like the WMS, you can enable the put away function where stock is actually transferred to the location and then packed away on the shelves of the warehouse. So basically two-step stock receiving. Very important setting here for any accountants, enabling accrued inventory. So this allows you to have goods received not invoiced and goods invoiced not received, journals being passed by Cin7 into your accounting system. This will improve the accuracy of your unit costs and just improve the overall clarity and reporting. Sales process customization. So assigning invoice number. I usually have this on invoice authorization. This just makes the logic of all the invoices flow better. Default sales tax rule. Yet again, this is one of those settings that can be applied on multiple levels. If there is a general default tax rule, you can apply it here. Available quantity is limited to all settings. So this is if you want to allocate stock to various other locations, so allowing you to go into back order or not. Usually I have this on all locations, unless there's some specific drop shipping or e-commerce channel involved. On order authorization, auto-assemble, usually difference between quantity available and quantity required to cover the shortage. Set invoice date. Usually this is when an invoice is authorized, just to save the logic. And if there's a default invoice date, usually it's on sell shipment date because we recognize revenue on fulfillment. Default shipment date is current state. These settings just allow you to improve the workflow in Cin7. So by default, quote is skipped or visible. If you want to have a quote phase in your sales order process, you can add those here. And then picking, packing, and shipping is your fulfillment process, which steps are manual and which steps are automated. Yet again, additional attributes that you can set up here. Next up is the production process customization. So allow stock transfers to be automatic if you create a production order. Sell price tier names. So Cin7 essentially has 10 price tiers. In all import and exports, they'll remain the name on the left hand side, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. And if you want to have it customized, for example, retail, wholesale, e-com, you can configure those here and it'll pull through to various other integrations. Document numbers. So usually these are set up to continue on your original system that you're transferring from or migrating from. Enabling gift cards. This is the Cin7 internal gift card process and setting. This is for gift cards that are used within Cin7 and does exclude any other sales channels like Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, etc. So this applies to Cin7 Core, B2B portal, and POS, just as a general note. Tooltip settings. These are usually if you're hovering over a product, which fields are actually displayed. And then there's some CRM and MRP process customization settings as well.